Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail.
What's going on, guys? We are back with another video, and this is going to be the S22 display unit. So this is the Samsung Galaxy S22 display unit. It's going to be the smallest of the three coming out tomorrow, and you can see here, very nice, pretty small in size. I think it's very pocketable. It's going to be fun to carry this around. There goes the back cameras there, and we have the volume rockers, the power button, and on the bottom we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C, a microphone on the opposite side. Doesn't look like we have anything here. And on the top we have another microphone with an antenna break. Where is the SIM card on here? I don't see it on this display unit as far as where the SIM card is. Yeah, but anyways, this no longer supports micro SD, so it's only going to be SIM card slot. And yeah, drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think about Samsung Galaxy S22. I'm going to compare it real quick to the Google Pixel. You can see right next to the Google Pixel, pretty small. It actually fits inside the Google Pixel, and you can see we have, like, I would say about a quarter of an inch on each side. And as far as the height, it is about 1 inch or 3/4 of an inch higher on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Flip it over, and this one does have the flat edges all the way around, which I like. That has the flat edges, and it fits definitely right inside the Google Pixel. So that is that, and we'll compare it to the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. You can see there also the size differences. It's about 3/4 taller, and it also fits. So the S22 Ultra is pretty much identical in size to the Google Pixel. They actually measure out almost identical in height and in width. So if you have the Google Pixel 6 Pro, you can compare, and you can pretty much have the same size and width, except for these rounded sides. The sides are rounded, but they're flat on the top part. But yeah, quick side-by-side comparison to the S22 Ultra and a Google Pixel 6 Pro. Drop a comment, stay tuned. I have oh my god, I can't even talk. I have a bunch of cases to review for both of these devices here, for the Ultra and the regular S22, so stay tuned for that. Catch you guys in another video. We out.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good. Fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.